Okay, good morning. This is Coach Jan. We are here again in Villa Feliciana. Yan. So this is our daily routine workout. So there's my partner. He's doing his swimming. I'll show you. Say hi, baby.
Are you live?
I no, not live, but I'm making a video.
That's okay. Hi, everybody.
Yeah.
Greetings, program.
So this is a daily routine workout. Every day we are here. So what is the key? Why we can do this thing?
Because we're
So
manifesting,
look at
baby.
this beautiful flower. Look at those beautiful flowers. So today I'm going to talk about what is the key? Why we're always here every morning? Why is the reason? Why we're doing this? Because
We're manifesting.
we're manifesting.
We're becoming the person we want to be.
Yeah. So be the person that you can be, the best.